Manifestation without action is fantasy. Your reality is built by your daily choices. Most people are waiting for magic instead of building momentum. A lot of people think that manifestation is just visualizing, wishing, waiting, and wanting. But your reality is actually the result of repeated thoughts, repeated actions, and repeated choices. My name is Mark, aka Create Lifestyle. I'm helping people, especially those over 50, break out of outdated beliefs so that they can experience freedom, abundance, peace of mind, residual income, leave a powerful legacy. And if you're under 50, you can certainly get some insight here and shave perhaps decades off of your evolution and achieving your goals. I call this breaking out of the matrix. Today I'm talking about manifestation, shifting your identity, your subconscious programming, daily disciplines, leverage, which is affiliate marketing. One example is affiliate marketing, and why these small choices compound into massive transformation. So understand, you hear a lot of talk these days about manifestation and all kinds of methods, but understand that a lot of people think manifestation means wishing, hoping, visualizing, waiting. But manifestation really is compounded choices over time. So your reality is going to reflect your habits, your focus, your beliefs, and your repeated decisions. We all want to take some shortcuts. I heard somebody say that the long cut is the shortcut. Just think about going to a gym and trying to get in better shape and that whole kind of thing. The whole choice of going to the gym, you go to the gym one day, 2 days, 3 days, then out of the week, then the following week you go twice, then the following week you go once, and then you start going every other week. What do you think is going to happen? That's a reflection of your choices. And this is what the Matrix, it wants you to do, create these shortcuts. It wants you to want instant results, overnight success, fast money, easy outcomes. But the shortcuts, they rob you of your growth, your discipline, and your identity. The whole idea is to be 1% better than you were the day before. So that comes down to making your choices, even your smallest choices. Reading instead of scrolling, learning instead of complaining, building instead of consuming. I caught myself complaining yesterday about something. And you have something called your reticular activation system, your RAS. It's a part of your brain. It's like a filter. It scans your reality based on the things that you focus on, things that you believe, your identity, your self-image. And whatever you constantly focus on, your mind begins to find more of these things. So if you focus on complaining and problems, your mind is going to bring more of these things into your reality. But if you focus on opportunities and on gratitude, more of that is going to come in your life. So you have to watch your words. Your language programs your reality. Your words matter. So you got to stop complaining. But if you catch yourself, that's a big step in the right direction. And the gratitude trains your mind for the opportunities. And then your internal dialogue becomes your reality blueprint. So this is why, regarding residual income, passive income, leverage, we're using affiliate marketing right now, and it's built on compounding choices. And this is why I connected to your consciousness, because you can only rise to the level of your self-image. So that's why this consciousness is so important. So affiliate marketing is not magic either. It's about learning skills. It's about building the leverage. It's showing up. It's consistency. It's making better choices. One video, one post, one lesson, one connection, one referral at a time over time. And then all this compounds. So if you're interested in learning about what we're doing with residual income, I'm working with some marketers that have created a system. It's a 10-year-old company that was upgraded because the founders learned how to vibe code. They reprogrammed the whole website. They were able to cut out all their programmers and literally create things out of their own imaginations. So we have a system that's made by marketers for marketers, and they've cut a lot of the heavy lifting out. They've baked AI into it, and it's easier than it has ever been. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's easier than it has ever been. So if you want to learn something about that, just throw down in the comments a fire emoji or just residual income, and I'll get back to you with some information. So understand that this residual income is going to create some freedom, because it's going to give you leverage, which gives you the peace of mind, the flexibility, the choices. And this is why all of this matters. So back to the conversation at hand, we got to break this matrix through stop repeating the same types of thoughts, the same type of habits, the same fears, same excuses. We have to make choices. We got to choose better, build discipline, shift our identity, and just be 1% better today than you were yesterday. And over time, we will get to our destination. So understand that it's not magic. Your life, it just reflects repeated choices. Small decisions compound into massive transformation. Your focus in your language is going to shape your reality. So when you improve daily, you just align your thoughts, your actions, and you build this leverage intensely. We begin to break out of this matrix mentally and financially. So again, just drop down in the comments, affiliate marketing, and I'll get some information to you. Share, follow, subscribe if I'm making any sense to you. And I always say the only way out is in. Peace, one love, and control your destiny.